This is the blue 2026 Zeekr 9X Flagship Luxury SUV, and it's not asking for attention, it's demanding respect. Big body, luxury DNA, and a road presence that makes other SUVs feel insecure. Line it up next to the usual luxury rivals, and it doesn't blend in, it dominates. This isn't just a new SUV. This is a statement that the old kings are officially under threat. That front grille, pure authority. The lighting signature looks less like headlights and more like a warning. The long roofline screams, flagship proportions, nothing chopped, nothing rushed. Those wheels, built to roll heavy, built to flex harder. From the rear, it still commands respect, because real luxury never turns shy. Panoramic glass opens the cabin to the sky, because this SUV believes space equals status. Open the tailgate and you get real cargo room, usable, practical, unapologetic. Every exterior angle feels calculated, premium, and expensive. Open the door, and instantly the outside world disappears. This cockpit is digital, wide, and ruthless screens. Everywhere, zero clutter. The steering wheel feels solid, expensive, intentional. These seats don't support you, they spoil you. Second row, first-class comfort. Third row, real adult space. No excuses. Ambient lighting sets the mood. Calm, powerful, controlled. Rear entertainment keeps everyone quiet, focused, satisfied. This isn't an SUV interior, it's a rolling penthouse. Press the accelerator, and the luxury starts moving with authority. Highway cruising is silent, stable, confident. Overtakes feel effortless, almost unfair. One moment it's a highway monster, the next it's a family protector. For a big SUV, it corners with shocking confidence. Bad roads don't exist. Hear this. Suspension erases them. City nights suit it perfectly. This SUV knows how to show off. Driver assistance systems watch everything, so you don't have to. And when it's time to stop, the braking reminds you control is king. So what is the Zeekr 9X? A flagship luxury SUV that refuses to play it safe. It challenges the establishment and doesn't blink. Comfort, technology, performance. Thing stacks wins. Value here isn't about being cheap, it's about feeling